Hello everybody. Based on the success of my latest video, now the largest on my channel with over 1,000 views, I decided to share a cool script for my game. The objective of the game is to run through the level as many times as possible, and each time add an obstacle somewhere along your path. As you can probably guess, I would need many tiles to detect collision. I could have made it player-based, where the player spawns the tiles where he touched, but I decided not to do this, and I really didn't think of this at the time. With the number of tiles there are, each having its sprite and collider, it caused a slight decrease in frame rate, and all the awake rigid bodies were making the issue worse. So, I made the script. As you can see, I'm using the vector2.distance function to measure the distance between the tile and the player. If it's less than 1, the maximum distance for the player to trigger the tile, it puts the rigid body to sleep and turns off the collider. In the before and after displayed on the screen, the frame rate increased from 40 to 40 to 110. Even though it might seem like a small change in frame rate, every frame counts, making this game more accessible and much more simpler to add other features that might be resource intensive. I could make it even more efficient by reducing the frequency of the if statement calls, potentially saving an additional 3 to 5 FPS, but for now, I've achieved all that I needed. If you have any questions, requests, or examples where you implement something clever in your game, like this, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching this brief explanation. The GitHub link will be in the description as soon as I make it, and goodbye.